Rainy days suck when you want to be out and about doing things. Man, y'all gotta be honest. I really have such a love-hate relationship with rainy/cloudy days. I mean, just look at this. It's like super muggy outside. It's really hard, especially as a creator, to like make something of this. The only thing you can do is inside because it's like raining and it's like muggy. But on the flip side, besides the fact that I can't do videos outside, I mean, there is an advantage. Some of those advantages being I can stay indoors and be lazy, but I don't want to do that. Can you do that? Then I feel worse. Cloudy, muggy days. Can't even. Well, let's see if I can get some. Maybe I can get some drone footage. Let's see if we can make drone footage look cool in a cloudy, muggy day. Might be able to pull that off. Might not. I don't know. It's just been a really ugly day today. I just thought I'd share that, and it's like actually a pretty big percentage of the days here in Houston. That's why I said the traffic and the weather are really the only two things that I kind of dislike about my city. Those two things. I mean, that's that's tough. Besides that, there's a bunch of really good things to do here. Just wanted to share some thoughts. Been a gloomy day because of the gloomy weather, and it's but we'll have more videos, of course. Not gonna let this stop us. I actually did record some stuff today, but I had to like run in the rain. I didn't want to ruin my camera, so I had to, cut it short and take off running before I got wet. Anyways, stay tuned for more videos, guys. I appreciate you watching, and here's some more drone footage for you. Hope you enjoyed that drone footage in the cloudy, gloomy day. Maybe that made the day better, kind of, maybe not. Anyways, peace, y'all. Take care. All right, so we raced. I beat him the first time.
I was beat him.
And then he beat me the second time.